The Afghan government hanged 5 men who had been sentenced to death for their involvement in a gang rape, a case that stoked widespread public outrage in a deeply conservative society. Afghan Deputy Attorney General Rahmatullah Azhari said the 5 men were hanged on Wednesday afternoon at Panjshiri prison in eastern Kabul. Another man convicted in an unrelated case and described by Afghan authorities as the leader of a kidnapping ring was also hanged, Mr. Azhari added. Local journalists at Panjshiri weren't permitted to witness the execution, but officials showed them a gallows built inside the prison before the hangings. The 5 men were sentenced to death last month after they were convicted of the rape and robbery of at least 4 women returning to Kabul after a wedding in Pagman district, a mountainous area west of the capital. News of their arrest stirred intense media interest. The trial was broadcast on national television, provoking debate about whether the country was in danger of returning to the lawlessness seen during the country's civil war in the 1990s. The swift convictions of the men, which were upheld by an appeals court and the country's Supreme Court, drew condemnations from human rights groups. UN High Commissioner for Human Rights Zaid Rad Al Hussein also appealed to President Ashraf Ghani to grant a stay of execution, expressing concerns about flaws in the judicial process.